Why is 9 wedding favor ideas in the time of COVID-19 so popular right now?
For couples who are arranging some sort of wedding festivity during COVID-19, security is the highest need. While couples are trading buffets for plated dinners and allowing social distance, others are likewise getting imaginative with their wedding favors. While it's common to hand out wedding favors at the wedding reception, either at the place settings or as guests leave, it might be impractical if guests are supposed to use the items at your wedding. It should incorporate face masks and hand sanitizers into your big day, so consider offering your wedding favors before the wedding ceremony. If you're determined to have your big day despite the pandemic, get inspired by the 9 wedding favor ideas in the time of COVID-19 ideas below. Idea 1: Personalized face masks. Nowadays you can't get so many facial masks. Why not give customized guests' wedding preferences if you require your guests to wear a mask during your wedding? It's not only practical, but you would also like your big day's handy souvenir. Idea 2: Individual hand sanitizers. Whereas in sanitation stations you should have hand disinfectants, nothing beats that your own flask is available. Give your visitors many sanitary facilities for wedding when and after your wedding. Your dear friends will feel safe and secure cause when they need they can disinfect their hands. Idea 3: Stemless wine glasses. Each of your guests will present a custom marriage glass to reduce the amount of fingers touching glasses. Sanitize every drink, then put one next to each tray. In this way, friends and family can easily enjoy their drinks and ships can be refilled. One plus is the inexpensive and high design of stemless wine glasses. Idea 4: Touch-free door openers. With a touch-free system, visitors can easily press buttons on the lift to unlock doors. Your guests may not already have a wedding gift, but selecting a touchless accessory will make your loved one safer. Moreover, they are elegant, too. Idea 5: Engraved ornaments. A COVID-19 holiday decoration for the couple wanting to continue their wedding is a great wedding favor. Often, all you can do is take up time, with postponements and increased safety requirements. Libra people recall every time they unpack their ornaments for their marriages, and COVID-19. Idea 6: Travel tissue holders. All of them know they touch their faces, particularly when they have to sneeze or cough. If you are to dissolve your tears when you say your vows, it is essential to keep fabrics at hand. It is smart to present the visitors with a reusable case with a bunch of miniature fabrics. At your wedding reception, lay one on each seat so that your friends and family will use it all day. Idea 7: COVID-19 communication pins. Let your wedding do well and give your guests enough to keep others away. When the visitors are out, a pin that expresses expectations for sanitation will go a long way. These bills can easily be placed on luggage, computer bags and lapels to demonstrate your position on the forehead. Idea 8. Immunity boosting tea. Several different varieties of tea are believed to increase immunity, such as ginger, lemongrass and peppermint. Offer your friends and family a mix to keep them safe and contain germs. They will think about you after your special day as they drink on a cup of hot tea that will make their body good. Idea 9. Air cleansing candles. Beeswax helps filter the environment, and there's interesting science behind it. Burning beeswax emits ions into the environment that attach and expel airborne contaminants from the room of respiration. Even dander and dust removed with candles made from this natural substance, to provide your visitors at home with clean air.
Please subscribe, please like. Thank you for watching.